Hello, David here, Specialist Cleaning Supplies, Palmerston North. I've got our new range of recycling bins here. In under 2 minutes, I'm going to give you the quick once over of how they all fit together. Now, we've got a rectangular option and a square option. The rectangular comes in 60 litre, as you can see the difference in height here, or 87 litre. Now these rectangular bins all take the same surround, which locks the bag in place, and it takes the waste stream label. So you choose which size bin you want. In each bin, there's 6 different colour options. So a label for here and a label on the surround. And then there are 3 options on lids. Fully closed for food because it smells. Got a hole in that one for glass, bottles, cans, or general recycling, paper, waste. So mix and match your labels, mix and match your bins. They're all separately coded so you put together exactly what you want. In the rectangular bins, you can also buy a fully closed lid or a swing lid. Now, the 87 square bins, exactly the same labels. And remember, the labels are to New Zealand label standards for recycling. So all our colours match what the government would like us all to be using. Again, same sort of lids. The blue and the yellow lid doesn't lift up as it does on the 87 litres. So slightly larger bin, different configuration. The only thing to note here on the 87 litres is a hole there. You put your bags through there and it tightens your bag up. You lock it in place with the surround. And 87 square, you've got a push bin here, a lid, if you just want to buy this bin. So everything's available, separate codes, put it all together. They're available for sale now. Call the number at the bottom of the video. Thank you.